We're looking at the upcoming GPT-5 model that's set to change the AI game, a potential team-up between Apple and Meta, and some jaw-dropping tests on robot dogs from China. Let's kick things off with GPT-5 since that's probably why most of you are here. Now, it's not officially called GPT-5 yet, but given the naming pattern, that's probably what it'll be called. According to Mira Murati, the chief technology officer at OpenAI, said that the next GPT model is going to be a massive breakthrough in AI. First off, let's talk about intelligence levels. If you think about the earlier models like GPT-3, Murati compared them to having the intelligence level of a toddler. They could do some pretty cool stuff, but were still relatively limited. Then came GPT-4, which Murati described as having the intelligence of a smart high schooler. It was more sophisticated and capable of handling a wider range of tasks. Now, the exciting part is that GPT-5 is expected to be at a PhD level in terms of intelligence for specific tasks, thanks to a combination of neural networks, vast data, and powerful computing power. This deep learning technique enables AI to understand complex patterns in data, leading to improved performance over time. Alright, let's address the big question. When is GPT-5 coming out? While there's no official release date yet, Murati hinted that we can expect this next model to arrive in about 18 months. That's roughly a year and a half, which is pretty exciting. Considering this timeline, all the hype about reaching AGI by 2027 starts to make more sense. Whether that's a good or bad thing is up for debate, but it definitely seems possible now. Murati explained that OpenAI is working on developing a new model of AI that is both safe and beneficial for society. This involves extensive research and testing to manage the AI's capabilities and safety measures effectively. As AI becomes smarter, it becomes easier to direct and manage, making it safer to interact. OpenAI is aware of potential risks and is developing methods to predict the capabilities of these models before they are fully trained. The development of AI agents, which can connect to the internet, communicate, and collaborate with humans, is another exciting possibility. These agents could handle tasks autonomously, freeing up time for more creative and complex activities. GPT-5 is set to transform various industries, including finance, healthcare, and customer service. While there are concerns about job displacement, understanding how AI systems can integrate into workflows and help people become more productive is crucial. Another important aspect is regulation. Murati and OpenAI are advocating for increased regulation, particularly for frontier models like GPT-5, to ensure responsible use of AI technologies. They are working on guidelines for AI usage and implementing measures to prevent misuse, such as watermarking and content policies. Let's switch things up and talk about a possible new partnership. Apple is thinking about teaming up with other big AI companies like Meta. They want to add these companies' AI models to Apple Intelligence. This means users could choose between Apple's AI and other options, just like how the App Store lets you pick from many different apps. Meta's AI model, Llama 2, became popular when it came out in July 2023. If Apple and Meta work together, Meta could become even more important in the AI world. But right now, they're just talking, and things might not work out according to the Wall Street Journal. Now, onto some crazy news from China. Unitary Robotics has been testing their robot dogs in extreme ways, like kicking them, hitting them with sticks, and throwing them to the ground. They do this to make sure the robots can keep their balance and get back up quickly after being hit. The Go2 and B2 robots, created by Xingxing Wang, have been tested on rough ground and even flipped over. They use a special control system that helps them learn and get better from each test. Unitary Robotics is one of the first companies to sell robot dogs to the public. Recently, China's Central Television showed a report about military exercises with China and Cambodia's armies, where they use robot dogs with weapons. What do you think about the upcoming GPT-5, the possible Apple-Meta partnership, and those tough robot dog tests? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.